even on NFP, I had to actually modify like my stop loss by like maybe 20 points just to even catch the move. Because when NFP first opened, it spiked down a tad bit. Right where I actually moved the stop loss from, it literally spiked right there, and then it shot up like crazy. So I pretty much have all that on video that I'm dropping probably this week, and it was a dope experience. But personally, NFP is not for the weak. Like when it comes to these kind of areas, because not every single month that it happens is as drastic. It's not too volatile, but there's certain months that all of a sudden like I want to trade it, and then all of a sudden it gets spiky as fuck. So it's one of those things that like I would only trade NFP if I'm in a good amount of profit or is post NFP, either or. But I wouldn't trade NFP to catch the actual news at 8:30. Like I'm not gonna do it. It's too much stress. It's too much unnecessary like volatility and everything. So I'd rather wait until after NFP or be in a couple days before and make it actually lead up until the actual news and then pretty much flow from that point. But all right here, all right here was literally just the NFP move and then post NFP. Drastic, very, very drastic. Compared to the past months, it was completely different. So I want to see like what it's able to do this week. But overall, again, I'm still very, very bullish on 30 until it actually shows me otherwise right here. So on UJ has been inside this consolidation range for the past maybe like 27 days now. Very, very depressing, as y'all know. So if y'all trading this, good luck. It's been, it's been more than 30 days actually. So from here, right around like right here, it's been in this consolidation range.
32 days.
35 days. 35 days.
Yeah.
Insane.
Yeah.
So the range from this entire thing has been about, let's say like about maybe 200 pips. But it feels like this is in a very, very drastic range because every single time it does go bearish, it's very, very drastic. Like the bullish moves are not too like aggressive. No, wait 1 second. Somebody's at my gate. It's not too aggressive. So at the same time, like I want to see like what this market can do as it builds up. Because remember, like what I said, the longer a area is in consolidation, that means that it's building up a higher time frame level of support, level of resistance, either or. So let's see what time frame is actually trying to build up. So obviously, as you can see on daily, it's still in consolidation. So technically, it's not daily. All right. On weekly, let's see as well. It's very, very consolidated as well. So I feel like it might be trying to play on like a monthly move because that's the only time frame that pretty much it shows where it's kind of like just a clean flow. So overall, like how it looks like right now, it's still showing lower high points like right here. But on lower time frame, it's still not breaking this level of support, which is right around here. So like this orange zone is the same zone that it's been respecting for the past 35 days. And this is where we actually caught an opportunity from last time it actually hit the orange zone. Sometime like last week on the 28th of August. And then pretty much from that point, it went up almost 200 pips, damn near. So now it's coming back around that orange zone again. I want to see what's able to happen. But it's doing the same thing as it did the last time. It's not breaking it. It's pretty much making the same level of resistance again. So overall, I do want to see like what it's able to do within this next week. Either that or just wait for another big news event like CPI, FOMC before it actually possibly breaks out of this entire area. So overall, it's more like a waiting game until it does have the opportunity to actually build enough volume to then make that next move. What the fuck is this? 1 second. Oh, Brandon. Yeah. And I'm gonna try to get on NAS too and everything stuff. So you like, or you can give me some insight on NAS too, since that's like your.
No, SUSD and BTC. That's what I tried.
So give us some insight on Bitcoin then when it comes down to
let's
600. The same area that we were talking about for the past maybe like 2 weeks. We said that we were aiming for 3600. It tapped it and pulled back. Perfect friggin' exit for anybody, honestly. But I tell you, like gold is like one of those assets that pretty much it does respect from weak. Personally, I feel like gold can definitely still keep on pushing. It's not showing any kind of signs of reverses like right now. Even on these lower time frame analysis, it's not showing anything drastic. No kind of major levels of support being broken. It's very, very minor on M5, but me seeing on 15, on 30, the main support that's holding up this entire area to even like say that I want to short it in some kind of way is probably going to be somewhere around here at the 35.75 area. But until then, personally, I'm still bullish on gold as well, right? Until otherwise. So remember, yo. Remember, mute your mics before I kick you off. So overall, always stick with the main buys until given otherwise. It's not showing me any kind of other signs at the moment, so I have to stick with the buys until it shows me signs of breaks of a support, break of resistance. But until then, we gotta stay bullish, all right? Because on daily, monthly, all the time frames, it's been bullish for the past damn near a year. You know what I'm saying? So things like this, you can't really try to actually sell this kind of market just free willy, for the main fact that it doesn't sell very often. It's a bullish market. You know what I'm saying? So things like this, drastic things has to happen. You know what I'm saying? Like it could be like a drastic event inside the world, some kind of major news that makes 30 pretty much spike up like no other, then might have to drop gold. Bitcoin also correlates with gold in some kind of way as well, right?
Yeah, it does.
It does?
But not really, but it does.
Inverse correlation or like main correlation? Okay, so that alone, like if Bitcoin goes up, gold might have a chance to actually drop based on it now taking over like a lot of that currency power. You know what I'm saying? So things like that, you gotta kind of like, be in tune with so you're spot on with all these shifts of the market. You know what I'm saying? All right, so Javi here is gonna actually give us some insight on when it comes to Bitcoin. All right, let's check it out. All right, so you can take over.
By the way, I agree something with you on SASD. For me, if I was gonna short, or if I'm looking to short, I'm just gonna wait for like new structure. To see like a new bearish structure, a strong one on the maybe higher time frame. Before you can say, oh, I'm gonna go for a sell for this. But right now, you just stay bullish and just look for the support.
Yeah, no,
buy from.
Nah, fuck that. Do a markup, bro. Like, let's see. Like people want to see some markup. So
yeah, let's do it.
You can take it. You know how to hit it.
Oh, yeah.
I need a trackpad. Good. All right, cool. Here you go.
So normally what I do, I start my analysis from the daily time frame just to see like the old structure, to understand the old trend. I want to see whether the market is bullish, bearish, and if the market is simply bullish, all I'm doing is, I know I'm just gonna be buying, and if it's bearish, I know, I'm just gonna be selling. But that's like the first thing you need to figure out. So look at this daily time frame. You can tell like the market structure here is like still bullish, right? But like if you look at this minus structure right here, you see that the market has created bearish, right? Which is, you have the last eye here. Let me get it for you guys. So you have the eye here. This is the high. We have the low here. We have a new lower high here. And you have a new lower low here. Two lower lows make a new structure, right? And two lower highs make it confirmed, right? So you already have two lower lows and two lower highs. Simply saying that that's gonna be bearish. Now look at it. The last resistance we have on this point, on this daily time frame, is simply at this level here, right? And you can see the market touches into that resistance level, then pushes down. So what I'm gonna be doing right now is, I know I'm gonna be selling when this market open, but I just need to find the resistance level to sell. So this is where it comes to my second rule when it comes to trading. So this is bearish, so now I know that I'm gonna be selling, but I can't sell from the daily time frame. I need to go find resistance level on the 4-hour time frame. So I'm gonna go 4-hour time frame and see like the nearest resistance where I could sell from. So looking at the 4-hour time frame, you can see right here, there's really no resistance here. So all I'm just gonna do right here is I want to wait for this price to actually push out back to this resistance and see whether it's gonna break or not. Or if I see any price correction in this zone, then I know that I think I'm gonna go for a sell.
And what confirms a level of resistance for you? Like, do you want to see like a wick? Do you want to see like some sort of like pattern? Like, what is like your confirmation that you want to pretty much?
My favorite confirmation is to be like double top, especially on a resistance level, because I don't really use much of candlestick, because I feel like candlestick is just like few moves.
Okay.
But like if you see a pattern, that's confirming
right. You're sitting on your hands until you have the opportunity to actually take advantage of it. All right.
Yeah, cool. So that's basically what I'm gonna look for. I have nothing to do on the lower time frame right now, but
Okay.
once the price like touches this resistance, then I go to like 15-minute time frame to start looking for the patterns.
Got it.
Because sometimes if you start waiting on the higher time frame to see the patterns, you might not see it. It will take time. But you see the quick move on the lower time frame, easily like 15 minutes, 5 minutes. Then if I see the pattern, I'm jumping on the trade. Then I'm gonna have the lower stop loss on the lower time frame.
Yep.
Yeah.
R to R. R to R is pretty much everything. So like as long as you're waiting for those kind of zones to actually get hit, then obviously then your R to R is gonna be good, which means that if your R to R is pretty much super small, what are you able to do then? Tell me.
Capitalize.
All that, but the exact term I was looking for was "lot the fuck up" or something. All right, lot up, like you know, just because you're in a better spot to then risk. So technically, you having that R to R in the middle, like where it is now, would be terrible. With a smaller lot size compared to up there, you can now have the same amount of risk, bigger lot size, and you're risking the same exact amount. So that's the overall goal. Like try to actually get to certain areas inside the market that you could actually have that good R to R, that it doesn't really affect your margin, and then obviously the reward is going to be damn near double at that point. You know what I'm saying? So that's the overall goal. So, any more to add on for this insight on Bitcoin?
Yeah, I think that's basically all.
Okay.
What's your take on like risk to reward? I mean, I've seen some people like they always like risk 1% of their account. Does that make sense?
Personally, I feel like risking 1% is for bitches. You know what I'm saying? I like to risk like 10 to 15% every single trade. Like that's like my thing. So like if I'm trading now, like I'm open to risking $10,000 to $20,000. Like that's like my minimum because I'm trying to actually make around like $50,000, $60,000 per trade or per position that I'm currently in. So like if I have a standard lot, like what I have in now, I have 2 standards, right? Each standard, I'm open to risking $10,000, which means it's a total of $20K. But I'm trying to actually make a 3-to-1 there, you know. So in that case, I'm trying to be open to making about $20,000, $30,000, or $30,000 per position that I'm currently in. So I don't like to risk that 1% because I feel like if you're risking that 1%, you're not really trying to make big money. You know, like to even try to make like a $100,000 trade, you can't do that from risking the 1% unless you're like a billionaire at that point, which none of us are billionaires. You know what I'm saying? But in reality, like risking that 10% with knowledge and skill and confidence, you're able to actually apply that to the charts and then make the kind of money that you want to make.
That's crazy. I'll give you an example. There's a guy on YouTube, all those guys that try to be savage.
Yeah.
So like he subscribed for my channel and he trying to make a video like trying out my trades for like a month.
Yeah.
So he was using like 0.01 and at the end of the month with $10,000 account, he was able to make 2%, $200, right? So the nigga came online and be like, yo, I'm not good. Well, like he was using 0.01 on his account. I mean, you go on YouTube, you see the video.
Listen, that kind of shit makes no sense to me. Like, again, like I kind of put it like you having a car that goes 200 miles an hour, right? But you want to drive 20 miles an hour because you don't want to speed. It makes no sense to me personally. Like, why get a car that is able to go that fast and not even use it, right? Why have a $100,000 account and only want to do a 0.01? You might as well have a smaller account than like why put that much capital up when you're only going to be risking or like using 0.01, the smallest lot size that's able to actually be entered. Makes no kind of sense.
And because right now I have like an account, I was trading like a $5 million account.
Yeah.
And because I always share with everyone. And recently people were bashing and like, yo, because of my risk.
Mm-hmm.
I always risk crazy.
Yeah.
And on the account, I was able to make like almost $3 million in profit.
That's fucking insane.
But when I posted it, like, yo, trying to advise me, like, yo, you're taking too much risk. Like,
so that's the thing. But the people that understands that this is a risky game, I feel like they know that, like, yo, on the back end, he's able to make the money as well, right? But again, it all comes from just skill, confidence, and this persistence as a whole to then make all of this stuff work. So obviously, if you're not confident about the things that you're learning, you're not going to be able to actually be open to even putting on the risk. You know what I'm saying? But people that pretty much are confident about their skill, confident about what they learn, how to go about it, and have the mental capacity to like execute a certain kind of way, those are the ones that make the big money, right? Patience. To sit on their hands, like all those things pretty much matter. You know what I'm saying? Then you execute when you have to.
And you know the funniest thing? Because I used to watch your video on like risk management a lot, right? So like I got the idea like how to manage money, how to grow big, and that's all like I've been doing. Like on this account now, like basically some of your videos, that's what like I still play. And this account, like I'm probably like 3 million in profit.
Insane.
Does it show?
That's wild. It's too fucking bright. That's too bright.
But that's like $3 million in profit. Like I just did withdrawal yesterday.
It's insane. Listen, and that kind of shit is dope because again, he be flexing in Nigeria like how I flex in the US, which I fucking wrong. You know what I'm saying? So
yours is different.
Yeah. But and he's copping a new car soon. I'm not gonna say it, but at the same time, I said that it's a good buy because of the spec that it is. You know, if it was a different spec, I'm like, yeah, bro, like it's not even worth it. But yeah, like I can't.
I just asked them for the advice.
I
Yo,
can't
should I
wait
buy
to see
this?
it.
And like, yo,
It's worth it. It's worth it.
So watch out for guys.
It's worth it. What color is it?
Red, bro. Red on red.
You can't go wrong with it. Classic.
Yeah.
All right? But let's knock out just like one more asset real quick before I have to go. Actually, let's check out GU. Right. GU pretty much retraced like how we expected. Like this entire green zone was marked up from like the other week, and we had said that we were looking for a full retrace based off this move being very, very aggressive. And remember, like what I said, super aggressive moves. A lot of times they are fully retraced, which is this right here is a perfect example of that. On the 8-4 time frame, you pretty much had this area coming back to the support. I consider this entire area like sideways consolidation. Overall market was still bullish based on the daily time frame, so I was very, very confident about that. Just I never realized that it was in a sideways consolidation until last week. So from that point, you had this level of support being respected. You made a lot of exhaustion towards the bottom, a bullish engulfing here, and from that point you started having a bunch of higher low points to then solidify that this area was able to actually keep up the buyers all along here. You broke this resistance like right around here as well, broke MAs. And then from that point, you was able to actually come back up to the resistance to then make a retest of the previous high point. So overall, I'll still be bullish on this entire asset here, and probably be aiming for somewhere around the 1.37050 range for this upcoming week. I'm not too sure what events is this week right here, but I'll post it inside the chat after. And but remember, it's a new month, so we have CPI that should be coming soon, FOMC, things like that. It is going to be a lot of things to actually watch out for, but again, it's like every other month. Just be careful about it. Personally, like when it comes to CPI particularly, trade after. You know, make CPI just play out, trade it after. Post CPI moves are always the sweetest. I think they're the most cleanest to actually analyze, cleanest to actually. CPI on Thursday. Oh God. All right, so I'll try not to be a part of that. Yeah, just try to actually catch those moves after CPI, because that's the smoothest moves. That could be worth a good amount of points, especially if you're trading 30 as well. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, just try to actually be on top of that. But what's his name? His name is Hobby. His IG is Hobby Forex. What underscore? Right? Underscore. Check them out.
Thanks again, brother. I appreciate it.
Of course. Oh shit.
It's a privilege.
Yeah, but it's HABBY Forex underscore. Check them out. Give them a follow. Good content. Good motivation for everybody. You know what I'm saying? So check it out. But thanks everybody for coming online. I'm gonna post this chart and chill inside the chat as soon as possible, and I'm gonna see y'all on the next chart and chill and in the Discord. Peace out, and until the next time. All right.
So.
Peace out. Solid.
Yo, that was
solid. I never did a collab on Chart and Chill before too, you know? So,
oh, really?
Yeah.
Wow. I appreciate it, brother.
Javi had came through, you know what I'm saying? Chopped it up with the boy.
I don't miss the time, and this is one of the best so far. Trust me. It's crazy.
Alright, now time to go check out some cards.
Yeah, let's go. Let me see the video. You made it good, right?
Yeah.
I'm going on Twitch.
Yeah, cool.
Straight.
Huh? Straight. Yeah. Yeah.
Good, bro.
Really? Still? Oh yeah, on these shit.
Right, bro.
This man body take a toll.
Yeah,
Hit.
big toll.
Yeah.
I'm
Yo, which one?
Which one?
I'm gonna do an MRI next week.
You still live on Twitch?
Yeah, you said we should go to this.
It's on Tuesday.
Man,
What's my
medical
second
bill.
one?
High, crazy.
Oh,
All my profits gone.
Here, great. Are you, bro?
Nice to meet you, bro.
Oh, Red Sliver?
Huh?
Sliver?
Silvera?
Yeah, I was saying.
He's over here, right? Yeah.
Yeah, what's up, bro? Nice to meet you, bro.
He's known all over Nigeria too, actually.
Not yet, but I plan on it.
You done Jordan?
Nah, stop
He was joking. He said I've been all over Nigeria. I ain't never been there.
He fucking known because.
When are you coming to Nigeria? When you pull up to Nigeria?
Can I take a picture of the dog?
Yeah.
Why you ain't me?
Now you got take care of it. I'll
Yeah?
tell you when to start.
Okay. Don't get pushed.
You don't get it. I did this trick, then he sent all my guns, bro.
1, 2.
So,
Now start.
Yeah.
This camera is too much.
Yeah, it has to be like this. It's 2 now.
Lots of rocks.
oh shit.
Each of these rocks were put down one by one. So that, it looked kind of like a river. You know, like.
Wow.
Alright, now, but.
Let me.
It's toys, you know?
Yeah. Fire.
Oh my days.
It's on time. It's on time.
Yeah.
It's on time. Here we go. Yo, bro. Let me get something there. Damn. This is sexy as fuck.
Get the keys.
Yeah, let me do it. Bro.
They don't got these in Nigeria, do they?
They do.
Why not? What do you
Bro,
mean?
Every car. You can
Every
think
car,
of-
for real?
Yeah.
Any
What do you
car.
mean? Nigeria?
Take them out.
That's why.
That's a lot.
My client said that just go to Nigeria.
Yeah?
When I bought brother.
Shit. Of course, Burner Boy brought it.
Brother, yeah.
Crazy.
Bro, the video when I bought it.
So what you get? What do you get? Revolto's out there too?
Yeah.
Oh, so you're there? Revolto in Nigeria?
Like 2 Revolto in Nigeria already.
Crazy. I can say that. I can map.
Like 2 Revolto in Nigeria now.
Oh no, let me get you going there.
Great.
Let me get you.
Come on. Oh.
I need to do like a review. I can do it with you. Yeah, I think we can be like that. Yeah, let's do a review. Let me do a review. Let me capture a review. Who's my second phone?
Your second one, man.
Okay. Not with this one, sure. There's no charger. This thing will go off. Yeah. I want to do a reel. The reel is gonna be like you have like an iPad that can show like a chart, like you just hold it and just like running your car.
I could yeah, like I have
I don't know what it is. Yo. Love, man.
So let me with 5 minutes, please. 5 minutes.
What do you?
I want to go talk to him.
What do you want me to do? Hold it?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, okay, I got you.
Wow. It's fire, bro.
It's okay if they have some background too.
Yeah, that's fine.
Oh yeah. So this, as I come, this is gonna be the real. Okay, perfect. Alright, I need to hear that. Crazy, bro.
Yeah, I hope so.
gonna be like, so like I'm gonna stay in front because like then you come to the shot, then I'm gonna walk into we're gonna walk into the shot and I'm okay, let me tell you first. Hey bro. I'm gonna be with you. I'm gonna be like where from this angle, the whole car. I'm just gonna like check the way it's right. Okay. Where are you gonna be? Like in the middle right here. You wanna stay right here? Okay. Yeah, but I wanna go top. Okay, like that. Okay. But we're just gonna be like somewhere that. Yeah. Yeah. Would you want me to just stand here and record? That's it? Or do you want me to go close? Show the top. Oh, okay, you're gonna show the top. Okay, okay. You're welcome to the group. That is not okay. Going now or you? No, not yet. Oh. What is that?
Yeah, bed. So.
Miami.
We're in Miami, dog.
If you guys know, Chad, if you guys know how long it took us to get here, stress, disappointments from airlines and shit.
Way far from God. Yeah, I come bad, bro. Yo, I'm Steve, bro.
Still,
Actually, no, don't die. Don't die.
Don't die. Nobody has. Do you have Type-C charger?
Yeah, he has in the car. good. I got good ones. You want to go again? You want to do something else?
This one's fun, bro. Oh, yeah? Sure? Okay, let me see.
No, are you sure?
Then the video.
Video now?
So much shit in my pocket. So we're gonna fix like this. So like,
Where do you want to start? How do you want the video to start?
start with it, turn the video down, then you come back to it, come close, then you turn it on, turn it off.
Check it, Lisa, don't you? Yeah. Where's your phone? This is my own phone. This is yours.
Very proud of her girls. You do? That's awesome. Yeah, they're the proud godparents. She just rolled. She's exceptional. Emily's 2 months under that. She's exceptional, I have to say. Very involved. She come by. And check in. Yeah, hello. She is gonna go pick her nails. Yeah, take care.
Chad,
I need to clean that little
what's up in the chat?
her step up and
No.
send her a message.
No,
Oh, okay.
I saw her last night.
Oh, you
She
did?
lives in my neighborhood.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
good, Okay.
So I saw her last night for her birthday last year. Her birthday's coming up, and I got her.
That's coming back. We need to get us out of here.
Oh, oh, okay. So you're a real
Chad, that's an SG.
Okay, that's good. Take it.
And I got a son too. It's not like I ain't got no my own.
Okay,
He
good,
just turned 13 on the 28th.
Oh, really? Oh, okay.
Yeah, it don't look like it, right?
No.
He's home right now. I just took the phone before I came out here.
If you guys want to, if you know you want to think about your life, and just say that, oh my God, why? Let's come to Miami, bro. When you come to Miami, you're gonna have like a different mindset. It's that you think about it in the real
But you gotta be careful. You got
You gotta be careful.
not doing enough and see it as a
trying to figure
motivation.
it out.
So it's either oppresses
Yeah,
you
man, try this
or it
right.
motivates you. You have to choose the one you want it to do for you by yourself. No one is going to do it for you, you know? Look at all of these places, there's Lambos and Porsche. Look at this. These are $4 million houses. Apartment, $4 million house. $4 million.
Better yet, stay with the one.
Let it motivate you, or you let it oppress you. You choose one. You choose the one you want. SVJ, Lamborghini SVJ. SVJ I've been tired of. Bramboy has it. Bramboy has it in Lagos.
You don't go far.
Like miles out. Like
Yeah, yeah.
Oh my god. It was
Like
crazy.
literally 5 minutes later.
5 minutes later, we still heard
Still heard
it
it going?
driving, and then we called him.
Almost, it's about to rain.
Mm-hmm.
You know, on 75. Like, yeah.
Good. That's good. Awesome.
Jason, for sure.